Imagine a phone that can transform from a compact device to a large tablet with a simple flip. A phone that can take stunning photos with a Hasselblad-enhanced camera, run smoothly with a powerful processor, and last long with a fast-charging battery. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's what Oppo claims to offer with their latest foldable smartphone, the Oppo Find N3 Flip. But is it really as good as it sounds, or is it just a gimmick? In this video, I'm going to give you my honest review of the Oppo Find N3 Flip and tell you if it's worth buying or not. Don't go anywhere. So, let's start with the design and display of the Oppo Find N3 Flip. This is a flip phone that can fold in half, just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 or the Motorola Razr 5G. But unlike those phones, the Oppo Find N3 Flip has a more rounded and elegant design, with a circular camera module, a mute switch, and a fingerprint scanner on the side. The phone is available in 3 colors: cream gold, misty pink, and sleek black. The phone has 2 screens: a 6.8-inch foldable AMOLED screen on the inside and a 3.26-inch AMOLED screen on the outside. The main screen is bright, sharp, and colorful, with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a minimal crease. The cover screen is useful for checking notifications, time, battery, and other information, as well as controlling music, taking selfies, and making calls. However, the cover screen is also very limited in functionality, as you can't access most of the apps or settings from it. You also can't customize the wallpaper or widgets on the cover screen, which is a bit disappointing. The Oppo Find N3 Flip has a MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset, which is one of the most powerful processors on the market right now. It has 12 GB of RAM and either 256 or 512 GB of storage, which is very generous and fast. The phone runs on Android 13 with ColorOS 13.2 on top, which is Oppo's custom skin. The performance of the Oppo Find N3 Flip is impressive, as the phone can handle any task or game with ease. The phone also supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and dual SIM. The phone also has stereo speakers, which sound loud and clear, but it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a bummer. The Oppo Find N3 Flip has a triple camera system on the back, which can also be used as a front camera when the phone is folded. The camera system consists of a 50MP main camera, a 32MP telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera with 114-degree field of view. The camera system also has a Hasselblad partnership for color tuning and branding. The camera quality of the Oppo Find N3 Flip is excellent, as the phone can take stunning photos in various scenarios. The main camera captures sharp, detailed, and well-exposed photos with natural colors and good dynamic range. The telephoto camera also delivers good zoom shots with minimal loss of quality. The ultra-wide camera also takes good photos with minimal distortion and good coverage. The phone also has a night mode, a pro mode, a macro mode, a movie mode, a slow motion mode, and a time-lapse mode. The Oppo Find N3 Flip has a 4300 mAh battery, which can last for a full day of moderate to heavy use. The phone also supports 44-watt fast-wired charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 23 minutes, or from 0 to 100% in about an hour. The phone also supports reverse-wired charging, which can charge other devices with a cable. However, the phone doesn't support wireless charging, which is a shame for a premium phone like this. So, is the Oppo Find N3 Flip worth buying or not? Well, I think it's a great foldable phone that offers a lot of features and performance for its price. The phone has a sleek and sturdy design, a great foldable screen, a powerful processor, a versatile camera, and a fast-charging battery. The phone also has a good software support, as Oppo promises 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches for the phone. However, the phone also has some drawbacks, such as the limited cover screen, the lack of wireless charging, the absence of an IP rating, and the overwhelming ColorOS. The phone also faces some tough competition from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which has a better cover screen, wireless charging, water resistance, and a more refined software. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is also cheaper than the Oppo Find N3 Flip, at least in some markets. So, if you want a foldable phone that can offer you a large screen, a great camera, and a long battery life, then the Oppo Find N3 Flip is a good choice. But if you want a foldable phone that can offer you a more functional cover screen, wireless charging, water resistance, and a simpler software, then the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 might be a better option. That's it for my review of the Oppo Find N3 Flip. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.